All right, let's add two numbers together via non-empty linked lists in reverse order. So some static variables we're going to use are the sum, then the digit of each individual linked list, and when we're adding digits together, we might have a carryover. So we're going to set that to 0. As we're building this new list, we need a new list node of head for a dummy list. So we're going to set that just equal to 0. And then the current we're going to use a current public list node to iterate over our new list. All right. We're also going to have some values for each list to store. So val1 int val2 as well, as we're iterating through each array or list. All right, so now we're going to start iterating. So while L1 is not equal to null, and L2 does not equal null, or I should say or, so we continue on each list instead of cancel out when one is empty. Then what we're going to do is check if they are empty. We're just going to set that value we need to 0. So if L1 equals null, then we're going to set val1 equals 0, else val1 is going to equal L1.val. We're going to do the same thing to the second list as we're iterating over it. If L2 equals null, then val2 equals 0, else val2 equals L2.val. Okay. So now we have our values. We're going to calculate our sum equals val1 plus val2 plus our carryover digit, which is 0 right now, but we'll calculate that shortly. So now we need the digit and the carry over if the number is greater than 10. So the digit is going to be our sum mod 10 to get the first value. And then our carry is going to be our sum divided by 10 to get either 0 or 1. All right. So then now, what we're going to do is set our current dot next equal to new list node of our digit that we need. So that's going to be our new digit. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And as we continue over, it'll set that every time as we iterate. So then current equals current dot next. All right. And then finally, outside of iterating over the two linked lists, if there's still a carry variable. Then we're gonna add that to our last value of our list that we need. And that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and run this. Actually, we're going to return, last thing is going to be returning our top of our dummy linked list. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Oh, the one thing we forgot actually was iterating through each of our linked lists. So L1 equals L1.next, L2 equals L2.next. But we have to have some if conditions there. So if L1 does not equal to null, then we'll do the L1 equals L1.next. And also check if L2 is not equal to null, then we're doing the L2 equals L2.next. All right. So now we're iterating through each linked list, and let's test our solution. Perfect. Now we have each test case passing. So let's go ahead and submit. And that was an overview of the solution for add two numbers. Thanks for watching.